Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, not much change today, no change actually. Very boring weekend again, very boring Saturday. Experience tells us that towards the end of Sunday we should see some movement. I did give you a little bit more of an overview about the bigger picture in the last video, so if anybody's interested in that, check that last video out from today. But other than that, if we look at the microstructure here, I'm still exploring two ideas here. The first idea is that, obviously, generally the idea is we are in the fifth wave of this C wave, so in the last wave down in this correction, ideally targeting sort of around 1780. That should be well known around the viewership. But it could be that we had this A wave of wave 5 already. We had a B wave here and we are now coming down in the C wave. The C wave would be a 5-wave move, but likely an ending diagonal in that stage, in that case. So, or actually I'm just thinking, could it be a WXY? Oh no, 1 second, WX. Yeah, I mean, it could be a WXY actually. So here, WXY. And then A wave here, B wave might still be unfolding, C wave down. That's a possibility. Or if we say, okay, we have an ABC, but it doesn't really make a great difference, then we would say this was the wave 1, this was the wave 2, the wave 3 is still in the making, 4, 5. And the subwaves are ABC structure. So here A, B, C. Either way, we're going into dangerous micro counting territory, which I don't really like to go any more micro than this. This is already a dangerous wave degree because it is fairly unreliable, but so far worked out nicely over the last few weeks and months. Still, though, I'm looking at lower. The rally here, if you can call it a rally, is corrective again. So lower expected. It can go higher if the B wave is still running. There's at the moment no way of saying it is or it isn't. I don't prefer that. The simple reason is that the move of the Friday low is just highly corrective. So if the B wave was still running, we would have an A wave here, a B wave, and this would now be a C wave rally, but it should be quite aggressive. So yeah, I'm watching. Primary expectation on this smaller time frame is that the B wave topped already. I'm watching for lower prices. Either way, even if it goes a little higher, 1867 is really the key level here. I don't want it to break above that level. That's the 78.6 fib level, and a break above that. Well, I shouldn't say I don't want it to break above that level, but to really keep the view of one more low, price should stay below that level. Above that level, upside pressure is going to come in, and maybe a good indication then already that we have formed a lasting low. That, if you remember, can always happen now, especially in this region. However, double bottoms rarely hold. This is a double bottom or even triple bottom. They typically don't hold. So from that point of view, and due to the idea or due to the fact that actually we are moving up in a corrective fashion, another low is expected. So let's see if we see some action tomorrow. I guess not until late tomorrow. So hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.